Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can exchange the epic presents in the Christmas island on Fish Eats. So you can just watch this quick guide to see how you can exchange your epic presents for the Raiders holiday reward. So once you got the epic presents in here, you can just head into the gift factory and just hand it to the Santa. So I'm going to just talk to the Santa and choose hand present, and in here you'll get the rewards and you can see it in here. So I got candy cans for the epic present that I hand into the Santa. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.